Okay, scratch me telling you guys to come and see the beauty of this place.
No, do.
Oh my God. What's up, it's me, your girl Angela. How you doing? We're going to go hiking today, and this day is not just the two of us, it's four of us. It's me, my husband Woody, my daughter Morgan, and my son Eric. I don't know exactly where we're going, like usual, but I think it's something about Tahiti Falls, but what is it called, babe? What is it?
Tallulah Gorge.
Tallulah Gorge. So, let's go.
Just tell me what you want.
Morgan's gonna leave me this time too. Every time we go hiking, I be like, girl, you go ahead, I'm coming. She be at the end and I be but anyway, it's four of us today, so let's see how we do. This is Morgan's truck, I think. She just like, wow. Yeah, they all have nice views, but this one I think they said they had like 4 falls. And, they had stuff in there about bears and snakes, so I don't want to see none of that.
You don't want to see the bears?
You got to stand still.
No.
They say you're supposed to stand still when the bear come at you.
No.
I don't run in circles, don't run a straight line.
You're supposed to open your arms.
No, you don't.
Yes, you are.
And do
Show
it.
them that, like,
No, you don't, mommy.
that's why a bear hugs.
No, you don't,
You're supposed
mommy.
to hug them.
No, you don't. You're supposed to breathe. And don't breathe.
Don't breathe.
Yeah,
So
hold
you
your
want to just
breath.
stand there and die?
Hold your breath.
You're going to die either way then.
No, you're
I
not. You
guess
just
one
hold
is
your
less
breath. Hopefully
painful.
it'll go away soon. If they stay longer than 8 seconds, I'm dead, because that's the longest I can hold my breath. Ever since I started taking that steroid, that's it. I literally, I'm dead. I'm good and dead. I'm going to be calling on Jesus.
You know, out of there, not leaving it on the
Things I can't take it.
I already told Morgan he gonna leave me. I'm gonna be breathing hard and everything. And telling her they can go ahead and go.
Come on here. You ain't doing that.
Gotta watch the steps. Look at Aaron like he all ready. I bet you don't run. Actually, this one right here don't know act like he don't
That's not
It's
true.
COVID thing.
That's not true. I'm always careful.
You gotta
You
be
see that?
extra
I got my distance. It's y'all. Like to be around for.
Aaron, you might need
I
your
ain't gotta
jacket.
go
You
nowhere.
ain't cool.
You see what?
A little nippy. He don't take his jacket off.
I told him that. I said, why you take your jacket off? It might be cold down the gorge.
It's cold going. This wind
Wake up now,
kick
shorty.
your butt.
You don't woke up now. You done slept.
Yeah, this was a good hour. And 49 minutes. That was a good nap.
After you ate.
See? Don't act like you didn't eat. I fed you while you was driving.
All right, here we go. See the bodies down there, shorty?
You know there's some down there. They done killed a lot of us around these places.
No, ain't no black people.
No, they did.
No, I'm just saying.
If they was, they did.
Yeah, like Eric.
That's pretty good.
When you got what you want, maybe I should start over. gotten what you want. Just tell me what maybe I should start over. Open at 'em again. Making it over. Just tell me what
Hiking. Up at Tallulah Falls. Well, actually Tallulah Gorge Falls. So we're just hiking along. If you want to join us, contact us down below in the comments, and we'll do a hookup. Probably a couple people at a time. So just let us know. All right.
Wow. We going down there, right? Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Again.
when you get what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing to want. Open at 'em again. You don't know what you want. Yeah, I'm thinking it over. Just tell me what you want.
Over 1,000 steps.
Yeah, going down easy.
Going down and 1,000 and some coming back up. Think I'm gonna stay tonight. Oh my Lord. We didn't even did 100. It's rocking.
When you get what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing to want. Open at 'em again. You don't know what you want.
I am trying to tell you guys that you got to get out and see some of the beautiful, beautiful sceneries, created by the Most High God. It's not hot. It's a beautiful day. It's not just me and Woody today. It's Woody, Eric, and Morgan. Ken couldn't come, but nevertheless, we are here enjoying ourselves. It's beautiful.
When you get what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing to want.
Scratch me telling you guys to come and see the beauty of this place.
No, dude.
Oh my God.
It's just to be prepared for a serious hike.
Oh my God.
It's a lot of incline, so I don't know what they rated it at, but it's probably a good 4 out of 5 on the hiking trail. Ones we had before were probably 1s.
Yeah, the ones we had before was nothing.
This right here is a good 4 plus.
I am so tired. My chest hurt. My heart hurt. I don't think we either halfway up there. Our kids have left us. We don't care. I'm 52 and I'm taking my time because this is kicking my butt.
Oh, you meant it, huh?
Yeah, you too. You sitting here with
I'm just saying though. You know, you be
Yeah.
like, come on, come on.
No,
Yeah, you know, you be good about, come on.
not today.
Okay.
Y'all,
Your eyes tearing up too. Is it sweating in your eyes?
sweat in my eyes, in my nose, between my tail, everything. And it's supposed to be cool outside.
It's
Lie.
nice. It's perfect weather for
Yeah, if
a
you
good 68 degrees.
thank God it is, because if it was hotter, I would literally lay down on these steps and somebody would have to come get me. I can't.
When you get what you want, baby, I should start over.
Black and bald head and nappy head.
Good look,
I about died, Eric. Oh, look.
Look at the views.
This what I got. But y'all, look at my children. They made it.
Stay on there.
Whew. I about died, mommy.
Make sure you pick that up. Don't leave that on these people mountain.
I about died, Morgan. Morgan, I about died.
Come on.
Go pick that up, mommy. I blow my nose on it.
You talking about pick that up? You trying to set me up? Man, my insides hurt.
Morgan, mine too.
No.
My heart hurt. All of that. Well, we made it.
Get me out of here expeditiously.
So, thanks for following us. Thanks for watching. And remember that everything you do, always be true to you. Peace.
This